Hi, this is Sasha Brusin with a quick tip on how to figure out the Dorian mode on the guitar. So the Dorian mode is the second mode of the major scale. But if you listen to it, you'll notice it sounds pretty much like a minor. In fact, the only difference between a Dorian mode and a natural minor scale is the sixth note. In a Dorian mode, that note is raised a half step higher. So the way that we would figure this out is we would play the minor fingering. So this would be A minor, for example. And if I raise the sixth note, I get an A Dorian. Of course, this works for every pattern that you already know, and of course every octave. So there's no need to memorize brand new fingerings. All you have to do is just modify the minor patterns that you already know.